Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discussing about what is accounting and what is accounting cycle. So, let's begin. Accounting is the systematic process of recording, classifying, summarizing and interpreting financial transactions of a business or organization in terms of money, transaction and event is known as accounting. Accounting has two main branches. They are financial accounting and managerial accounting. Financial accounting, which focuses on the preparation of financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, is known as financial accounting. And managerial accounting, which provides internal reports and analysis to help management in planning, controlling, and decision making processes within the organization, is called as managerial accounting. Now let's see the next one. Next one is accounting cycle. What is accounting cycle? The accounting cycle is the series of steps that companies follows to collect, process and report financial information over a specific period, usually a month or a quarter or year, is known as accounting cycle. In the accounting cycle, there are 5 steps. First one is transactions, second, journal, third, ledger, fourth, trial balance, fifth, financial statement. So, first step is transactions. Recording transactions in the books of original entry, then all transactions should be recorded in the second step, journal or subsidiary books. As and when they take place, all the entries in the journal or subsidiary books should be posted to the appropriate third step, ledger accounts, and balanced. Then the next step is the preparation of trial balance. Then again this should be lead to the preparation of trading and profit and loss account, and then last one is balance sheet. And the last step is financial statements are prepared in this order. First, income statement, balance sheet and statement of cash flow are prepared in the financial statement. And these 5 steps are very important in the accounting cycle, and you have to remember this only these 5 steps. It is very important. And thank you for watching, and please do subscribe our channel to get more useful videos.